I'm going to take a look at Lindbergh Round 2's Jolly Roger series in the pinch of Pearl. This kit is 1/12 scale. It retails around $20 and it is available online or at your local hobby shop. Always start with the box. Great box art. Box art's done by James Small. The back of the box, which shows the completed kit, which is built and photographed by James Small from the Small Artworks. Before we begin, I want to mention that this kit is a reissue of the classic MPC Pirates of the Caribbean Fate of the Mutineers kit. Next up, I always like to start with the instructions. They are black and white. I do call this a single page. And they are pretty straightforward. And the back shows the painted guy and the action of the vignette. The kit itself is molded in white styrene and it's held up throughout the years. There's very little flash, if any, on here. The crab, that's the top of the crab. Bottom of the crab, detail on it pretty sharp. The base. The medallion, and the skeleton. Detail on the scattered clothes on the skeleton are pretty sharp. Very low flash in between the skeleton fingers and hands. More of the skeleton, the half one. Foliage. The main full figure skeleton. Pirate hat, a little thin right there, but that'll work. And you do get a rubber band for because the kit does have a action which he actually pulls off the arm of the skeleton in the quicksand. Absolutely a fantastic kit. Highly recommend in the pinch of Pearl.